Hey guys, Bryce Altus here, Doctor of Audiology at Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to initiate a remote programming session using Signia Telecare. Remote programming is an awesome feature that allows your hearing care professional to check in on you, see how you're doing, as well as make adjustments to your hearing aid programming in real time, regardless of where you are physically in the world, as long as you have a solid internet connection. Live remote programming through Telecare is an available feature for any of Signia's Bluetooth-capable hearing aids in their NX, X, or AX platform. However, if you use a cross or a bicross setup, meaning that you have unaidable hearing in one ear or a completely deaf ear, but are wearing two devices where we're sending sound from your bad ear over to your good ear, then unfortunately, live programming sessions is not supported by Signia Telecare. If you have hearing aids that are not Bluetooth compatible, or if you have Signia hearing aids that came out before the launch of the NX platform, then we can still do remote adjustments. However, the adjustments are more limited and we can't do them live in real time. I'll save information regarding how to do remote adjustments for those types of hearing aids for a later video. As for today, let's go ahead and get started with setting up your phone so that we can even do live remote programming adjustments through Signia Telecare. Before we can do a live remote programming session, we need to make sure that we link your phone with our fitting computer. To do this, your hearing care professional will send you a 6-digit code that you need to enter into your Signia app in order to get that link established. You should get a text message from Signia with the actual code and a link to download the Signia app if you haven't done so already. To enter the code into the app, you will need to tap on the menu icon in the top left-hand corner of the remote control screen, tap on Settings, tap on App Settings, and tap on Connect to Telecare. Agree to the terms, then enter the 6-digit code. Then allow the app to have access to your microphone and camera so that we can see and hear you on our end of the Telecare session. Now really that's it when it comes to setting up your phone for Telecare sessions. From here, in order for us to do live remote programming adjustments, we need to make sure that we put you on the schedule for a certain time slot so that we can have time to call you from our fitting computer. On your end, you need to make sure that you're available for the call, and then also it's a good idea to not have your phone on Do Not Disturb mode so that you can actually receive the call that we're going to make. When we call you from our computer, you should get a notification on your app or on your phone screen that we are in fact trying to get in touch with you. Simply press the answer or the check mark button to answer the call. And if you have granted the app access to your camera and microphone, you should soon be able to see and hear your hearing care professional on the other line, and we should be able to see and hear you on our end as well. From here, your hearing care professional will be able to connect up with your hearing aids and be able to adjust the programming and software settings of your hearing aids. One thing that we absolutely cannot do remotely is adjust anything physical on the hearing aid itself. So if there is an issue with the way that it's fitting in your ear or an issue with any of the physical components of your hearing aids, we can't really do anything about it if you're not in our office physically. But when it comes to the software, almost all the programming adjustments that we would typically have during an in-person appointment are available to us during a remote programming session, meaning that we can generally address most or almost all issues that you might be having with the programming or settings of your hearing aids, whether you are physically in our office or across the country. Now that's about it. If you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments that you'd like to leave for me or any of my associates here at Applied Hearing Solutions, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks.